Hey everyone, it's Fabian here from Drum Lessons Bristol. Today we're going to be looking at Higher Ground by Stevie Wonder. This is a really nice funky shuffle groove. So we're going to look at the basic groove first of all, and then we're going to look at that intro and break down how you get into that first bar. Okay, so that was the basic groove. Make sure that you're really comfortable with that and that you've got it nice and relaxed going through that shuffle in the right hand. Now let's have a look at how the tune starts. So you start on this this little drag figure into the third beat, crashes on the 3/4, and then into the 1, and then immediately into the lift on the hi-hat going into the 2. So I'll build this up in little pieces, just so you can see how you get from that opening into the beat. Okay, I hope that all made sense. I'm just going to play you the first 8 bars again, just so that you can hear how we get into the groove, and you can also check out some of the fills. Okay, I hope that was helpful. Good luck if you're learning this tune. It's a really good one. Check out my other videos and don't forget to subscribe.